So folks, it's Mark from the Safe House. We're at the Safe House testing facility. We're going to show you how easy it is to get into a fake safe from a big box store. And if you read some of their specifics on their safe here, it says it has anti-drill hard plate and 4-inch long locking bolts. So I'm going to show you how insignificant that is on a safe like this. And this is what you can expect for most of the big box safes that you purchase. So stay where you are. I'm going to show you how quick we can drill this safe. So just truth in advertising here. So I'm a Milwaukee guy. So this is a Milwaukee drill, standard drill, battery powered drill. Some drill bits. These are Diablo, the ultimate drill bit. So I'm going to take a drill bit out of this drill set here so you can see I'm not doing anything special. So we're going to use, this is one I've used before, so it's actually used. So we're going to put this on here and stick around. You're probably going to see what I'm getting ready to do. So this is how easy it is to get in to a fake safe. So I'm going to take this off of here. We're going to blur this out because I don't think it's fair to show the bad guys where you drill it, but I'm going to show you how quick you can drill one of these safes and get into it. So I'm going to take this off. We're going to drill it. And if you want to start a timer, we're going to see how long it takes me to drill it and pop it open. You ready? So there's the drill. And if you're wondering why I'm going to blur this out, so this is what I'm using here. I'm going to step in front. So I'm using a little pin, and look at that, a Milwaukee hammer. So you can tell I'm a Milwaukee guy. So this is how quick you can get into this safe with the anti-drill hard plate. So here we go. Boom. So how long was that? I don't know. Look at the counter. So we got in that in under 30 seconds. If you really want to go long with using your tools and stuff, a minute. So that's what you can expect out of a cheap fake safe that you get from a big box store. So if you want to see what real hard plate looks like, we'll do some B-roll right down there that shows you a couple of different examples of hard plate, real hard plate that's going to protect a lock that keeps someone from doing this. So if this safe and a lot of other brands that you see in big box stores say that they have anti-drill hard plate, that you can't get in it, 4-inch locking bolts, I mean, what else are they not telling the truth about? So if you want a quality safe, got any questions about security, quality safes, features and stuff like that, and let me close this safe real quick. Take that out. So if you have any questions about a quality safe, questions, anything about this video, go to thesafehouse.com, give one of our 3 locations a call, like and subscribe our videos, of course, if you don't mind. And we look forward to talking to you. Come by one of our locations and we'll show you what a real safe looks like, not a fake safe. So y'all stay safe out there.